Madison, what are you doing? Are you making Easter eggs?
Yes.
Yes. Is it fun? Can you show me what colors you have over here? What colors are they?
Pink.
There's a pink one. Is there another one somewhere? Daddy's is pink too, isn't it? What happened to Daddy's? Oh, it's over there.
It's mine.
That's your pink one, huh?
Almost done.
Almost done? Is it cooking in there?
Yes, it's cooking.
It's cooking.
Isn't
You having fun, Daddy?
Yes.
That's in there.
Mm-hmm. Daddy's is going to be orange.
Yes.
What colors is Madison going to be?
What color is this one?
Pink.
Good job.
I need to wear.
Oh, don't touch it.
I need out.
You want it out?
Why don't you put your pink egg back so you can get your green egg? Put your pink one back.
Don't touch it.
Put it back over there. Or here. Okay, we can put it over here.
I'll take that. No, don't touch the egg.
Hmm?
Okay, we'll put it over there in one of those holes. Oh, don't touch it. That works.
Yay! Wipe your hand on a towel. Good job.
I need to make I need pink one.
Want to do another one?
No.
You don't want to do another one?
I want pink.
You can, well, it's already pink. You can't make it a different color.
It's covered by pink. It's new green. What's this?
Don't touch. You gotta blow on them so that they get dry.
This be careful, Daddy. It's mine. It's yours. Daddy's. And Mommy's.
Yep.
That's Mommy's.
That one was Madison's. This one was Mommy's.
Oh, this one, Mommy. There was Daddy. There was Daddy. There was Mommy. There was Daddy. There was Mommy. There was Daddy. Way to go, Daddy.
Thank you.
Big girl, Daddy.
Ah, she said way to go.
Oh, I think she said big girl.
Are they still videotaping? Hey, YouTube one.